Waa Gwaan guys, it's Shari to Japan and welcome back to another Bento episode. In today's video, I'm going to be making a yakisoba bento with these simple ingredients. Some cabbage, bell pepper, carrot, a little bit of garlic, and I'm going to be using 2 packets of noodles. Now I'm going to start by stir frying the vegetables. I like to add them one at a time. After it's cooked, I like to add one of the seasoning packets that came with the yakisoba before putting in the noodles. Now here I'm trying to separate the noodles a little bit so that it's easier to stir fry. After doing that, I just add the second seasoning packet and a little bit of beer. You could also use water. And once the liquid has evaporated, then you're finished. Very easy. Next, it's time for my eggs. I'm going to whisk these very thoroughly. Afterwards, I'm going to cook this covered on low heat. Okay, so we start by adding some cling film over the lunchbox. Then that's where I'll put my egg. Then I'm going to add the noodles to the middle part. So I made a tiny rice ball using some furikake just to add some volume to the lunchbox. Japanese rice tends to be quite sticky, so here I'm using cling film to form the ball. And that's it. I mean, how cute is this? Oh my gosh. Now it's time to assemble the lunchbox. I prepared some chicken and vegetables in advance to put everything together. If you like this video, please hit like and leave a comment down below. Remember to subscribe to get notified whenever I post a new video and follow me on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!